So this is my first time in Shenzhen and China overall. We just wrapped up a 4-day SEO conference where we did our workshop, Mike spoke on stage, and we sponsored the event as well. The first day we had a tour of some local attractions, and of course we went for a run because that's my favorite way of exploring a new city and a country. What surprised me the most about China, although I've been living in Vietnam for more than 6 years, China is so advanced in tech. The streets are quiet because everything is electric. It's clean, it's organized, it's such a welcome surprise. So the essence of the conference was to bring Chinese companies like manufacturers and SaaS businesses in touch with Western agencies so that they can help them market the Chinese products to the Western markets. Today we are meeting up with Charlene, who is a business growth manager for her company, so she knows hundreds and hundreds of brands, like big Chinese brands, and a lot of them are really cool. And so first we're gonna meet her, and after that we're gonna visit a new client of ours, which is a LED manufacturer, and you'll see how satisfying their products are and the amount of ideas that I'm getting just by visiting their showroom. So we just finished the conference yesterday, it's Monday today, and we already made a few connections with potential clients, and today we're invited to go to their offices and factories. And I have my flight tonight, so it's going to be a very interesting day. Let's get a cab.
Wow.
Whee!
Is this yours?
No. So it's a co-working space. We have several seats. Quick introduction of the area. So it's back in the early stages, the foreigners settled here.
Okay.
And a lot of expats and Hong Kong and Taiwan people, they settled down here. So it takes up to, I think, more than half of the population, expat population here.
Hey, how interesting.
Wow. Belgian flag.
Yeah, these are the nationalities we have here.
Where's the UK from?
That's me.
If you are
Aussie. They don't want you here, Mike.
Oh, there's a road bike there. There you go. You can review it.
Review the road bike.
So he is the client relationship of the building.
Okay.
They belong to China.
Wow.
Yeah.
So much coffee.
Yeah, you want any coffee?
I wouldn't mind a coffee.
Yeah, we'll have a coffee.
Yeah. Brands parties. So last one was at a 5-star hotel just across the street here, Hyatt, and there were 6. This is my friend Milan.
Hi.
This is my team. So
Hi.
Jimmy, Levi, and my friend.
Hi,
Milan.
Milan. Nice to meet you.
So he does a YouTube.
Well, for businesses, yeah.
Yeah, for businesses.
Nice. I mean, you create content for different
Yeah.
brands.
Yeah. So we have an agency that does like YouTube for businesses mainly. But like we just came to China for a conference where we met Charlene, and
that's
so
really cool.
there's a lot of opportunity here around content.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yes, Chinese brands like need a lot of content. Yes, it's a huge market here in China.
Exactly, and so we're like,
That's
okay.
why she doesn't want to go out of China anymore.
No, I
loves
stay here.
China.
Yes. It's a lot of opportunities. Like if you take the advantage of like being here and explore the opportunities for
Yeah.
business.
Yeah, we live in Vietnam, so it's not that far off.
Yeah. Oh, no,
Yeah.
perfect. It's Hangzhou.
Yeah, the headquarters of Alibaba.
But it is really like the lifestyle and the luxury.
And for our it's like
Next place. Hello.
This is Julie.
Milan.
Milan, hello.
This,
Mike,
Mike, hello.
good to meet you.
is this the factory?
Yeah. First floor for the factory and the second floor for the office.
Okay. Here he is.
How are you?
Good.
Hi.
Are you?
Good.
Yeah, we have a display for you.
Oh, look. Wow.
Normally, we will put your flag. So you are from different country. Difficult.
Wow.
Yeah, you never see. and make the business stable. But now actually here is we move most of them to Italy already.
Okay.
We are not too many
So why?
manufacturers.
Isn't it more expensive to operate?
No, because my products actually the people they like local service.
So we're here at an office in the factory of someone we met at the conference, one of our new clients. They invited us, and I think this is part of Chinese culture that they want to invite you and bring you to their place. So I'm very excited. It's an LED company, so it's also pretty cool.
They just see, oh, this one good, I buy this one. This one good, I buy this one. That's it.
I used to work at festivals, and then they would have massive screens.
Of course,
Yeah.
this one is for festivals.
Yeah.
This one is for the trailer. This one is for the video wall everywhere. It's like when you speech on the background, it's this one.
So how much is like one of these?
Different pitch, like the P2.5, 1.55. This is more expensive.
Fine. Yeah,
This
because
is,
more
narrow
LEDs.
pitch. It's more
So-
definition.
It's an LED with 3 colors.
Yes.
Yeah.
And remove and click back.
Yeah. But do you also have the one without the cable having to attach?
Of course, this one.
Yeah.
This one is without.
Yeah, this.
And put here. Oh.
Okay.
Finish.
Oh.
You can do a lot of content with this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've
With,
seen this. I've seen this on social media a lot.
就是梦想说的那个。
It's so interesting.
It's like rubber.
Yeah, Robin.
It's actually quite interesting.
That's what. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's one dot, different dot here.
Yeah. With
One,
3
one
lights.
pixel pitch, yeah, 1 pixel, yeah.
How much would this cost to sell this
This one?
to a business?
2 or 3,000 USD. Like,
2 or 3,000.
yeah. But you need installation. The problem is you need the installation for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's custom made for every
Yeah,
company?
yeah.
Oh, it
we
is?
can custom it. no
And so, are you also like developing new technology around it, or you take the technology and you create the products?
Actually, this kind of products is like only different application. The basic technology is the same. It's just the different pitch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And flexible or not flexible. Yeah, this is outdoor waterproof or not waterproof. It's
Yeah.
like this. But they have different application. So normally we are focusing on different application. We want to for shop, for event, for exhibition, for outdoor signage. It's okay. This is for
Yeah.
outdoor.
Imagine having this in your one bedroom apartment.
Oh, and it's so. It is coded. So.
This is new technology. Now when you can one can even see you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you're for the glass, you need the glass to see outside like this.
Yeah.
It's also it can display 3D because it's see-through. They have color depths.
Yeah. Where's the electricity? Where's the power?
Power you need to connect to the side.
Okay.
The box
Okay.
connect to the side. I just want to show you what it looks like.
Yeah.
And so, what are the best sellers?
This one is our bestseller. We started 10 years ago. We are the top one. One. In our workshop, a lot.
So what's the difference between this one and this one? So this one has the lines like this.
Yeah, this one is no longer.
And then
So this is like a one big panel. These are many different.
Three one,
Okay.
but they are
This is
gapless.
still
This one with gap, and also this one is steel beam with is waterproof. This
Yeah.
one no waterproof.
Okay, and this is just more modular.
Yeah, but this one is more easier. We say it's plug and play.
Yeah.
That means you just plug to it, you can use it.
So it's more cost efficient than.
It's normally for rent.
Okay.
For rent. This one we are selling for 10 years. We started 10 years ago. Very long time.
like how did they find out about your business?
They search on Google.
Oh really?
Search on Google, yeah. Because we are marketing.
SEO.
Google Ads, SEO. And then they also go to the social media to find you. This one in China, including me, only 3 company manufacture. Very specific products.
Yeah.
This one is our design. This one is also our design. So we very focusing. My customer is mostly retailer shop.
This helps us a lot when it comes to your strategy for your YouTube channel. like knowing about your products and showing how it's
No,
modular?
because my products, I already, I mean, SEO, YouTube video is much better than SEO.
Yeah.
You understand? Because when people search,
It's visual,
every
yeah.
video work, a lot of every video work, but when they search the video, they know it's this one I want.
We have clients with really boring products, really boring services, but everything comes down to understanding your audience and how you can basically answer their most asked questions. So, what are the questions that your customers are asking on sales calls? Answer that and show it, right? Showcase.
So how do you think about the short video, the shorts and the long video?
But you can do both.
Yeah, I would do both. Because shorts, this kind of content is really good for shorts, but long form as well. Because it's, as Milan said, it's so visual.
Like your long form should be for lower down the sales funnel, meaning people that are already interested in buying LEDs. They're just trying to make a decision on what, where, and who. But short form is really top of the funnel, where it's like, ooh, LEDs, interesting.
Attractive.
Get the attention.
seconds.
Long form is to nurture them and educate them and sell them. I already have a lot of ideas.
When you see the product, you know.
Yeah.
It helps. It helps.
No, it does.
Playstack.
For
Chicken.
for Starbucks.
So how much does one cost?
This one?
Yeah, just one.
This one is about I think 900 USD.
900 USD.
It's very cheap.
That's cheap, yeah.
Should have Playstack logo.
Yeah, try that. I'll send you the Playstack logo.
Oh, with our faces.
I can put your face, put your
Yeah.
logo here. Advertising, no problem.
Mm. So do you have like minimum amount of orders, MOQ?
For this one, no. For this one, it's a new one. No, it's one.
Okay.
It's okay.
And for these?
For this one, it's also fine. It's okay because I don't want to. I would say because we have local distributor.
Yeah.
So there's actually no problem for us.
Okay.
I just send the list to them. They deliver 1, 2, no problem.
Yeah. So do you sell B2C, B2B?
B2B.
Okay.
Yeah, B2B. But sometimes it's
Consumers
B2C.
gonna buy.
Good?
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
McDonald's.
It's just a PNG, it's just a JPEG image,
Yeah.
and they put the image on. So you can do any image, any logo.
Yeah.
That's genius, huh? And the LEDs are made where?
In Shenzhen also.
Okay, but
Our
not,
supply
not
is close here.
okay.
It's 10 minutes. 10
So it's a
minutes.
supplier. It's not you making the little LEDs.
No.
So
Nobody make. Now in China, everybody make one step. We just designing, make
Yeah.
the frame, assembly, finish.
Okay.
Before we have SMT, but now we close. Because there's a SMT company, they supply to everybody.
Mm.
More faster, more professional, better than you.
Yeah.
So what is so if you're assembling them here, will you send them to Italy or because it looks
Spare
already?
part. Spare part.
So you take it apart and
Yeah.
then you
Deliver to them.
assemble.
So what
Yeah,
did
the only assembly, disassemble, we assemble testing, disassemble, send to Italy.
Okay.
Because saving tax.
Of course, yeah.
Tax is cheap. Much cheap.
tax
And
on the
also-
parts and versus
Yeah.
But also you can say manufactured in Italy. or
No problem
assembled.
because we can make this one in Italy.
Yeah. The easy
And
send the design.
So what are these for then?
It's also for them. This is also this one actually we have other market.
Yeah.
We have Middle East, South
Okay.
Africa.
Not
South
so many
America.
taxes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not so many taxes. NSCI US. Our office. This is for South Africa.
This is for Richard.
South Africa.
Richard, your stuff is on the way.
This one is for Thomas for Australia.
And it's by boat, freight.
By sea. Some is by DHL. The circle one by DHL. They are cheap.
What was one panel? How much one panel?
It's 1,800.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
A lot of money here.
So it's like
A
15.
lot of money.
Yeah. It's like there's 100 grand in this room. That's nice.
I sell you one. I can afford to pay your service.
Yeah. Makes me rethink my business. And that's a custom order then?
Yeah.
Custom?
Yeah,
Or you-
custom size.
Okay,
Custom size because it's according to this building.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
So what do they do advertising here? Like
Advertising.
So they make money back.
Yeah.
So it's an investment.
I told you they get money back in half a year,
Oh, okay.
but it's here for 5 years.
I'll hang one on my house and then make back in half.
Yeah. But some houses
Now
do.
you also need a very good content for this one.
Of course, yeah.
You need to need to find advertisers.
Yeah, yes.
Made here or made?
Made in China.
Okay.
Yeah, here is look here is install.
And then your team
installation.
installs it.
No, we guide them. They find a local. We have an engineer there.
Okay.
But they can install locally.
Okay.
And even the structure they make locally.
So
Yeah.
this is a Dubai order. So
Dubai.
would you manufacture in China and then go straight to Dubai? Or
Yeah,
would
go
you,
straight to Dubai.
So no Italy.
No. Here is cheaper. Here is cheaper.
So it's only
Italy is just because of the tax,
In Europe.
and also because of those tax for USA also.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Finished factory tour in China. Next time I see this guy is in India. Thank you. All right. And that's the trip for China.